Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. Today is 17th of April 2024. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host. We can skip the introductions. Please remember that the meeting is recorded. Before we would continue, the previous meeting was not recorded. There were no agenda points. It was only a discussion of the upcoming releases, just the dates of the releases, and then we were doing some triaging. Nothing else, but we had a technical issue with the admin account for the Zoom, so we haven't recorded that one. Okay, so as usual, if you would like to help the project, then please feel free to filter for the help wanted label or the good first issue label. There are quite a lot of these around in the project, and by taking those issues and fixing them, you can help us greatly. If you think that you'd like to become an official adopter and help the project that way, then you can just visit the community repository, and in the root you just have to edit the adopters.md and add your own organization there. If you are interested in the if you are experiencing any CI related issues, we had a few recently, then please feel free to create an issue in any of the repos. It's the best if you do it in the repo where you experience the problem, and then just assign that issue this project, this Metal3 CI tracker project, and then the CI maintainers can track it. Now there is a bit of disturbance because the triggers for the CI jobs are being moved to Prow, because we are constantly experiencing issues with the Jenkins-based triggers because of the GHPRB plugin of Jenkins. So as far as we can tell, the Prow trigger mechanism is way more stable than the Jenkins one. So we are moving there. And yeah, if you're interested about the incubation proposal or the statistics, just feel free to follow the links. And if you are interested in any of the artifacts or jobs and so on, just check out the links in the description. These are basically the reminders. We don't have any special reminders. We can continue and go to the ironic scalability topic. I checked it a few days ago, and I've seen Ricardo, you were asking it on the ironic IRC channel to review the fake IPA. So
yeah, I left a message for Julia. We're all kind of busy downstream at the moment, so I'm not sure. I'm going to bring it up if nothing moves during this week. I'm going to bring it up during the next ironic meeting next Monday.
Yeah, that sounds good. I think there is nothing else related to ironic scalability from the release team. I know that there was a security advisory, and there has been a prior discussion, as it should be, and thank you for submitting the disclosure. And now we have actually have the official advisory out, and then also the patch was released by Ricardo, so this has been handled. If you are interested, feel free to check out the advisory or the patch or the fix in the latest patch release of Ironic Image. It was related to the Unix sockets and the reverse proxy communication. Yeah, thanks everyone who was involved in fixing that. And then last week there was some discussion about the new RC releases for CapM3. I haven't checked if these were released or not. Let me quickly check them. Yeah, there is the 1.7 beta already out, but this is quite old. This is not the one that I was interested in. Oh, okay. Then probably the next one is not yet. The RC releases has not been released yet. No worries. Is there anything that you would like to add to the advisory or to the recent releases? Okay. If there are no other topics, then for general discussion, just be aware that there is a mess when it comes to the CI triggers, but folks are working on them, and hopefully it's getting better. And then if you are using the devenv with CentOS and you try to use UEFI node images, then you most likely will hit an issue. Same with the default images, if I remember correctly, because of the paths to the file paths of the UEFI firmware used by the QEMU KVM is different in CentOS for some time now. That kind of messed up our templates a little bit. There is already a fix. I will push it. I just had a hard time of testing that my environment had some issues. Yep. So these are just some general info from me. Is there anything else that you'd like to discuss? I don't really have any other topics. Kind of busy with other stuff. Well, then that's it. Thanks for your time, and thanks for being here on the meeting. And let's meet next week, and then we will do some triaging next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Goodbye.